Hi Rainbow Room, it's Auntie today. Today I'm gonna be making sensory bags with you guys. So all you need is water, equal parts baby oil, and normally it's done with food coloring, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna be using some pink glitter. So you're gonna take your bag. I have a gallon Ziploc. You can also put this, if you don't have a Ziploc, you can use sheet protectors taped up. You can use jars, water bottles, pretty much anything to put it in. And all you're gonna do is pour in your baby oil. So I got 1 cup of baby oil. And then you're gonna try to seal it off. If you have a bottle, you don't gotta worry about it. But if you're using a Ziploc, kind of seal it and get the air out. And just leave a little hole. So I have my baby oil in there. I'm going to use this little hole and I'm going to add my glitter. I'm not going to add too much. I'm just going to put a little sprinkle. Auntie has nice pink glitter, so we'll see how that looks. So I put my glitter. Again, I'm going to try to get the air out. And then I'm going to add my 1 cup of water. This is how it looks so far. Let me add the water. The water in. Okay. And then we're gonna air out, get all the air out. You want it flat because as soon as you seal it up, if you have tape, which I don't, it's best to double tape over the top so it doesn't reopen. And then you can tape it on your window, put it on the floor, and look at that. Now they got nice something to squish around. I'm sure it looks better with the colors, but I only have glitter, so it works. And it's a nice little sensory bag. Quick 1-minute project. You don't need much, and it's something that'll keep the kids entertained for a while. Hope you like it.